Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Little Star Plans. For those are new here, welcome. I do create videos based on plan with me and how to use my planners mostly for planning and also memory planning. And if it's something that you'll enjoy, feel free to subscribe and follow for more. So today we are doing a plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks. And I am using this anniversary bundle, and I'll show you some of the anniversary items that are included in this bundle. So starting with this kit, we have an add-on, and this is the Hobonichi Kit. You can see that it comes with the cover-ups and some washi tape sticker. And here we have this overview of a bunch of self-care stickers that is called It's Time to Focus on Myself. So really this bundle is really focused on like mental health and mental wellness, a reminder, and especially right now May is the month of mental health awareness, but again I feel like it should be every single day, every single month, and throughout the year. I think it's really important to continue to talk about mental health. And for this part is actually my favorite kit. It's a mini kit that can fit any bullet journal or very vertical planner. So this full box is super cute. It has all the Mimi and planning friends and also planning essential graphics in this kit that design. So I have the usual like washi tape stickers, full boxes, quarter boxes, some date cover ups, some headers, and so forth, but you can definitely use this in any way you like. So let's get started in planning in my Hobonichi week using our anniversary kit. And so let's start off with the washi sticker. What I do is that I put the washi sticker at the bottom of the page. You can see that I am trying to line up with the page with this sticker. I wasn't sure if I should cover the bottom right corner where it has a calendar, but it's okay. For now, I'll just leave it as it is. And then I try to do the same on the left page, and we apply the washi sticker. Next step, I am taking out the next set of skinny washi sticker, and this is really neat because I designed it where it has a bunch of like stationery item like washi tape, some pens, and more washi tape on this design, and I hope you guys like this. So I wasn't sure where I should place it. Normally I'll place like skinny washi tape at the top of Hobonichi week spread, and you know, at the very top it actually fits very nicely, but then I know I have used these skinny washi like in the middle of the notes section, but there's no like right or wrong way of decorating your spread. It's really up to how you like it and your personal preferences. But for me, for this skinny washi tape actually fits really nicely at the top. So now I am placing the second washi tape at the second page, or not second page, the left page. And again, I wasn't sure if I should place it again. I don't like to cover up some of the original text, and so I decided to place it in the notes page, which is the right side page. Hopefully you know what I mean. It's been a long time since I did a voiceover and create a plan with me video. After washi sticker is done, I am taking out the next set of stickers, and that is the date cover ups. I'm sticking on my hand, and I feel like it's such a convenient way to place the stickers there, and I will be using it right after. Do you stick stickers on your hand when you plan or decorate in your planner? If you are, let me know. It's actually, hopefully I'm not the only one that's doing it. So here I am carefully aligning these stickers. Ultimately, the reason why I designed this way is so that it would be saving space and be able to create more stickers in one sheet and optimize that for you. So more stickers for you. And so finally I am placing a last date cover up, which is Sunday. So next step, I am taking these box stickers. These are so small that fit so nicely in this section, in the notes section, and you can see that I'm placing them individually, and it really depends on the color. And what normally I like to do is alternating the color, so that way it's not all the same color in one spot. So alternating will help mix up the coloring or the colors in that spread. So that's what I'm doing. And so in a bit you will see that at the bottom we have placed two washi tape. At the moment I wasn't sure what I should do, but in the case here I actually stacked it on top, so I feel like it's okay to do that once in a while. So the next step I am using is this week huge sticker tracker, and this is all from the add-on sheet, and I'll place it right on the right corner, and it fits very nicely in the notes section page. And then I have picked out the weekend banner, and I decided to place it near Saturday, and that's about it. This is my entire spread. I do have some leftover stickers and I'll be continuing to use those throughout the week. And so this is the overview. And what do you guys think, and how are you guys doing? And I'll see you next time. Bye, planner friends.